Multiplying rational expressions. Multiplication of rational expression works the same way as multiplication of any other fraction. We multiply the numerator to find the numerator of the product, and then multiply denominators to find the denominator of the product. Before multiplying, it is helpful to factor the numerators and denominators just as we did when simplifying rational expressions. We are often able to simplify the product of rational expressions. Let's take a look at this example. We have 3/5 times 15 over 21. Now we can multiply across, but when we're dealing with rational expressions, we want to factor first. So we have 3, and then the prime factorization of 15 is 3 times 5. Divided by 5 times the prime factorization of 21 is 3 times 7. So we can simplify one of the 3's, we can simplify one of the 5's, and what's left is a fraction of 3 over 7. So that gives you how we can simplify fractions by finding the prime factorization or factoring it. So, given two rational expressions, multiply them. We want to factor the numerator and denominator, multiply the numerators, multiply denominators, and then simplify. So for example 2, we're going to multiply the rational expressions and show the product that is in simplest form. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 5, which means we can try to factor that. So over here in step 1, we can factor that by writing -5 up here and 4. So what two numbers can we multiply to get -5? And when we add them together, we get +4. We get -1 and 5. So this factors to be x plus 5 times x minus 1. And then we have 3x plus 18. We can also factor that. The greatest common factor is 3. So if we factor out the 3, what's left is x plus 6. And if you notice, 2x minus 1 cannot be factored any further, and neither can x plus 5. Now that we've written this in factored form, then we can write this in multiplication. So we have x plus 5 times x minus 1 times 2x minus 1, divided by 3 times x plus 6 times x plus 5. And if you notice that we can simplify the factors of x plus 5 in a denominator numerator. So we can factor that out to be 1. So what's left in the numerator then is x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 divided by 3 times x plus 6.